Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chat menu, showing this little cute duck, or I don't know what it's called. From here, we either swipe right or tap on the three lines at the top. Here we have to go into settings. And in settings, we scroll down a little bit and find notifications and sounds. We tap on it, and at the top, we can select notifications for chats, and just tap on the chats that we want to turn off. Notifications for calls, batch counter, and other things that the app notifies us about. But yeah, you can customize everything here in this menu. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.